Watch that rod tip, dude.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Boom, you got him.
Oh, you had him.
Right now, hit him, hit him, hit him.
There you go. Get you some bait on there. Come on, hurry up.
Leader, guys. From the fish. Keep winning the water all the time. Really well.
There you go.
There you go. There you go.
There he is. Oh, let him have it.
There's a whole bunch there, buddy. Set the hook. There you go, buddy. $8 store with the hook set. There he is, Richie. Bring yours in, Richie. Get him in the box. Here, Kyle. Here's this. Get your rod, Dick. Set the hook, Richie. Set the hook, Richie.
Got him on!
Take the water here. Come on, let's fish all around. All right. I had to feed them. Feed them right. There had several fish right there. One on the team.
Like a crane operator, like, yeah, I coming down.
There he is, there he is, there he is.
Down the right fitty, right ball, right fitty, right fitty. The white, the white. White marlin. There he is, outrigger. Jack there. Time. Hit the center bar. Where is it? I don't know what it is.
$5. Man, is the vein popped out of the back of the neck?
Yeah, he said. Alex, he said, turn the handle. I just want to let you know.
Yeah, I heard it there.
Of course, he's on the splendor bar, the worst rig there is, right? Oh!
Where is it? Oh! There goes the outrigger bite.
Grab a belt. Talk about Wells.
I see cola. I don't know if he keeps turning the handle, I'll be able to tell you. There he is, let's go! Let's get him, let's get him! On the meat!
And like that spider board made it feel like it was a monster.
What do I do with this thing? There's the fish slinger. Now what do I do? There's the main man mark. There's the game on.